Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In my last video, I told y'all how I was on my home stretch in my weight loss journey. So excited to be 10 pounds away from my goal. So in this video, I just wanted to show you guys all the snacks that I've been eating recently to help me on this weight loss journey. Just healthy snacks that I really have been calorie conscious. Calorie conscious. I've really been calorie cautious. No, conscious. Okay, I got this. So I really been calorie conscious. I really been calorie conscious. That just sounds weird now. Counting calories has been super vital in my weight loss journey. And so throughout this video, you'll hear me mention the calorie count a lot, as that is important to me. So if you're also calorie conscious or counting calories, this will be really insightful for you as well. I just go over some quick snacks, some salty snacks, some sweet snacks, some snacks for everybody. Oh, and that you can buy anywhere. These aren't just snacks you get from Trader Joe's or Whole Foods, but you can go to Walmart. I've even found some of these at the Dollar Tree, literally. So yeah, stay tuned if you want to see some good practical snacks that you can buy, store-bought snacks that you don't have to prep or make. Just grab them off the shelf, put them in your cart, and go. My first snack is corn nuts. I recently just started liking corn nuts. I like them because they taste just like Fritos, but they're not chips. I like snacks and food that only have very little ingredients. And this, I feel, I might be wrong, but is healthier than corn chips because the only ingredients are corn and salt. I mean, it says less than 2%, yada, yada, yada. But I really don't pay attention to the less than 2% because it's less than 2%. So I really only account for everything that comes before that. And I think that this is a really good snack alternative, super crunchy, and just so flavorful. So these are protein chips from Pure Protein. These were more than $1 less than Quest chips. I think Quest are like the more popular protein chips. And honestly, the flavor looked gross, but I just wanted to try it in comparison. So I'm not a huge chip person, other than like Doritos and tortilla chips. But sometimes I am craving that salty snack, and these were a very good option. I oftentimes go for Quaker rice cakes, but I never got chocolate before, and let me tell you, was I missing out. So I grabbed these because it's very little sugar with very little calories, and it's chocolate flavor. So I was like, why not? Listen here, if you smear peanut butter over this rice cake, you will have an instant healthy peanut butter cup. You're welcome. It's such a tasty guilt-free snack and dessert. So these I picked up because I saw that they had 5 grams of sugar. That caught my eye, and I was shocked to get them home and saw that they had 215 calories per bar. This is a lot for a snack, especially if you're counting or even paying attention to your calories. I thought it had little sugar and lots of protein, so why not? So I just try to eat these sparingly. And I found that the bars are nice and big enough. They're a good size where if I split a bar in half, I can eat that bar and put the rest back in the box for next time. They reminded me of Nutty Butters. Those are my favorite snacks to get from the corner store growing up, and they are really good. I won't say they taste just like them, but they're close enough. So, y'all, I love me some dried mango. OMG, such a good snack. But you know what? I purposefully got unsweetened dry mango because I found that the other dried mangoes, first of all, they like sugar is the second ingredient, and they just became so sweet to me, like just too sweet. So these do have 15 grams of sugar, but fruit naturally has sugar, so that's okay because there's no added sugar and there's 90 calories in these. So it's a good, nice snack. These surprised me. I actually got these by happenstance. I happened to be in the Dollar Tree and I needed a snack and I got these. They're black beans and the flavor is so bold and so good. So check this. The whole bag was 260 calories. At first, I thought it was 260 calories per serving and I was like, skirt. But this bag has a good amount in it. So you can get about 2 to 3 servings to me for one bag. So just divide that 260 by 2 to 3 and you're good to go. Next up is Quest protein chips, another protein chip. I will say I do like these better, but the texture to me is just off. The flavor is good. For 140 calories a bag, that's fine. And they're not potatoes or anything like that. But both these protein chips to me had a weird texture. I talked about it in my last video. I got some protein chips from Women's Best, and those actually were good through and through. But I feel like they're still a great alternative to regular potato chips. Tuna packets. This is like a holy grail for snacks and lunch. So good, so flavorful. As you can see, there's a million different flavors, and they range from 70 calories per packet to about 110, I think is the highest. And most of them are like 90 calories. So you can't go wrong with that. You get a nice hearty snack that you can add to salads or you can eat by itself right out of the packet and you're good to go. It's just tuna and a bunch of different spices and flavors. Keto fat bombs from Slim Fast. So good. They have like a peanut butter cup version, they have a chocolate turtle version, and this one is like a play on mounds where it's dark chocolate with a coconut filling on the inside. These have 0 grams of sugar because it uses that word that starts with the E that I'm not going to try to say. That's in a bunch of keto recipes as a sugar replacement for only 70 calories. So this is a great little snack to satisfy that sweet tooth and you can feel guilt-free about it. So these are a little bit more on the expensive side, but to me they're so worth it. Blue Diamond almonds and all their crazy good flavors. So this snack gives you the allowance to have 28 nuts for only 170 calories. It's just so good, so flavorful, and so easy to snack on. I don't think I've ever eaten 28 almonds, but you have the go ahead to do so. My staple, my rock, is Skinny Pop. Oh my gosh, I love Skinny Pop so much. And I get this huge bag from Sam's Club. And check this. You can have 3 3/4 cup of Skinny Pop and it'll only be 150 calories. That's why I love it so much. And it's just something so natural and pure and just so tasty about Skinny Pop that I just love it. They have different flavors too. They have like a kettle corn and the white cheddar, but to me it's the original for me, okay? So this is a great snack that you can just keep on snacking on until you're totally satisfied and you'll be fine because you'll only have snacked on 150 calories. So this is the last store bought. Well, not really store bought. So they are store bought. I didn't grow these, but this is not something you typically think of when you think of store bought snacks. However, produce is such a good go to and such a good snack, especially if you want a snack in the morning. This is just so good, naturally sweet, like we talked about, and just good for you. So pick up you some fresh fruit, some fresh berries, some fresh pears. I have some plums, mango, um, bananas, and apples are a really good year-round fruit that I like. And you know what I love to pair with bananas and apples? Peanut butter. So peanut butter I like to pair with a lot of things. But peanut butter goes so good with bananas and apples. Like I talked about the Quaker chocolate rice cake. Peanut butter is just good with a spoonful by itself. Okay, let's be honest. But I want to point this out. When you are buying peanut butter, make sure you buy peanut butter that only has peanuts and salt, or peanuts, salt, and oil. Bottom line is avoid peanut butters that second ingredient is sugar. You honestly don't need to have sugar in peanut butter for it to taste good. I don't know why it's there. Thanks so much, guys, for tuning in. Let me know what your favorite snacks were, whether they were in this video or not. Thanks so much for watching this video. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up, share this video, and subscribe. See y'all in my next one. Bye.